Okay, so this is another catch-up box. This is October's nail mail. Looking forward to it. Let's get it open. So we have mail. Here it is. What are we going to find in here? So we have SISSI gel polish, SISSI clay. We have a JN nails, olive drift gel, and a yellow brick road, and a matte top coat. And it looks like we've got a nail brush. It's going to be exciting, isn't it? It does look like we might have a nail mail stand as well. And of course, we've got the QR code to show you how to make those gorgeous gory nails. It says, enjoy this tutorial. Carmen also runs the Chaotic Nail subscription, a monthly platform where you gain access to 2 in-depth tutorials. Each month is designed to help you level up your skills, boost your confidence, and challenge yourself beyond your comfort zone. To join, simply DM Nail Mail Chaos to the Chaotic Nail subscription on Instagram to receive your exclusive discount link. I don't know whether these will work. But there's Nail Chaos, 30% off, Nail Mail 15 for the tip holder and tips, JN Nail Mail, and SISSI is Nail Mail 15 ! I will put these in the description, but of course this was October's box and I'm filming in January. As you know, I've had a bereavement that I've been coping with. So whether those codes will work or not, I don't know. And of course, we've got the QR code to get your nail mail box or your build box service. Right, into the box. Red paper. So, this is my brush, an 11mm and a 9mm detail brush. Okay. So that's the 9mm. And that is the 11mm. There we go. Feels nice. We've got, oh cute, a nail mail stand. It's magnetic, this one, so we won't want to be using. I think it's magnetic, yeah. That's a lovely little stand as well. Getting a little collection of these now, so that's going to be really useful. So we have some practice tips. Stiletto practice tips. I do like that little box as well. They're cute. Now then, we have JN nails. I do like, I've got a purple one of these that I absolutely love. TPO and Hemmer free, 15mm. This one's called Yellow Brick Road. So we will swatch that soon. We've got another JN, TPO and Hemmer free. Ooh, and this, there we go. This one is Olive Drift. A bit of swatching of those. Oh, SISSI SISSI, how you say it? Clay. Have a look. See a builder clay. Can't quite read what it says. Have a little look more. That. And then we've got gel polish in glass red. It's going to be nice. I've lost the... It is. It's the time. That's the order. Oh, something else hiding in here. Here it is. Ooh. Super matte top coat. Nice. Right, let's get on with the swatching. So we're going to start the swatching with the SISSI gel polish in glass red. It's a lovely, lovely texture. Jelly red. Exactly what you would expect from something called glass red. Okay, let's give that a cure. And moving on to the JN polishes, we've got JN in Yellow Brick Road 122, and this is TPO and HEMA free. It's like it's going to be a really creamy yellow. Yeah. Leveling really nicely, nice brush, nice consistency. And our next polish is the JN, again TPO and HEMA free, 377 Olive Drift. Nice dark green. Again, lovely brush. And let's go in for our second coat of glass red. It's going to deepen the colour, but you can still see through it, so not quite as translucent. It makes sense, doesn't it? And this is the Yellow Brick Road after one coat. Been quite good. If you're going to paint over that or stamp over that, stickers, foil over it, you probably wouldn't need a second coat. But let's just give it a second coat so we can see. Comes with the a bit stronger colour. Okay. Concentrating and not jittering, because I'm trying to get that, not get messy bits around me nails, around my swatches. Trying to do that and keep everything in shot for you. Struggling. Now, tomorrow, I'm hoping, I've got these glasses that you wear. I'm hoping that they will fit over my actual glasses. You can then film actually what you're seeing. And I'm hoping that will really help with me keeping in shop. And we shall see. Yeah, so that's it after its second coat. And I thought, as we've got the JN Super Matte, we could super matte it and see what it looked like as a matte. I'll do the same with the olive green. And we've got our JN polishes with the super matte. Looking very lovely. There's our DC glass red. So here we go. This is the contents of my nail mailbox for October 25. No time to do a set of nails, but as this is a catch-up. See you in the next one. Bye.